It's our Japan strawberry coated chocolate. Sa isang pouch, it contains 6 or 8 pieces of naka-pouch, no? And individually packed na chocolate or strawberry coated chocolate. It's trending from Japan. It's a strawberry coated chocolate. 1 strawberry each chocolate. Super blend ang taste ng chocolate and ng strawberry. So, try this Japan strawberry coated chocolate. We have cocoa flavor, milk taste, rose, and 1 is yung matcha. 4 flavors po yan. 4 flavors pang available. Kaso 3 lang yung meron ako. Yes, try. Individually packed inside.